Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of Basics of Mechanical Engineering. In the previous video, we have made a detailed discussion on a brassing process. So in this video, we are going to discuss about soldering process as a continuation of brassing process. I am Dr. J.Yokesh Kumar, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So soldering, you might have heard about the soldering. It is the process of joining two metals when by applying a heat. The temperature is slightly lower than the brassing temperature, which is mostly used to join the parts in the PCBs. So that stands for printed circuit boards. So let us have a deep dive on this. So here I have illustrated the soldering process where it is used to join the two metals by applying a filler. So filler usually in the form of wire. So it is used to join the two different metals or non-metals together by means of applying heat. So usually the filler metal is used to join the two metal. It is called as a solder. It is a metal alloy which is usually made up of tin and lead, which is melted using a hot iron rod. So the iron rod is heated to a temperature around 320 degrees centigrade. Then the heat is applied on the solder, so which tends to melt and join the metals together. Then finally it is allowed to cool to form a strong bond between the two metals. And this is the process of joining takes place in the soldering, where here the tip of the joint soldering iron is brought together with the solder. So here this is the component where we are going to join together in the circuit board. So for that we are applying a copper pad to avoid electric shock between this. Then solder wire is introduced for making a joint. Then this solder iron, tip of the solder iron is heated around 320 degrees centigrade. So that is used to melt the solder wire in a liquid state. Then it is used to join the two parts. Then it is allowed to cool. Finally, we'll be having a melted portion, which is solidified together. And some of the fluxes we occasionally use in the joint to avoid complications. So sometimes there may be a chance of entering the impurities such as oil, dirt, or even oxidation takes place because it is exposed to the ambient. Ambient air contains oxygen, so oxidation will take place during soldering process. So this introduction of flux will help to prevent oxidation, and sometimes it is also used to chemically clean the metal. The fluxes are also used in the soldering applications, usually a rosin flux, which helps the mechanical strength, improve the mechanical strength and electrical contact during joining process. And these are all the filler materials we are commonly used in the soldering process is lead-based solder. So, however, sometimes we may use some other solders also, which may consist of antimony, bismuth, brass, copper, indium, tin, or silver. So, here I illustrated that introduction of solder it is used to join the two parent metals. So parent metals might be a base metal, and the heat is applied on the top of the filler, which is used to melt in a liquid state, and it is used to join the two metal. These are all the references for my presentation. My first reference, manufacturing technology, foundry, forming and welding, fourth edition. published in the year of 2013, authored by P.N. Rao. My second edition, a textbook of production technology, authored by P.C. Sharma, published in the year 2014. In this video, we have made a detailed discussion on soldering process, how the soldering will takes place, then various fluxes and filler metals can be used in the soldering process. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for your attention.